Hi, this is Michelle from $1 Duke's Home Decor. We're back inside of Home Goods. That's Coco. Say hi, Coco. Say hi. Say hi. Shake your hand. Say hi. How you doing, Coco? You got comfy in there? This is Coco's new dog bag too. It's one of Amazon's luxury favorites. It's very comfortable with pockets on the side. And how you like your new dog bag, Coco? Is it comfy? Is it comfy? Huh? There you go. All right, let's see what we can find. Oh, that's where that's going. Okay. Got all these statues on here. Okay, we got some nice outside chairs. We'll come this way. Always say your prayers. Isn't that cute? Look at this. Oh, look at this. Look what I found. A sleeping dog. Look like an angel. It's a sign, Coco. You're an angel. I never seen a statue with a dog with wings on it. Have you guys put it in the comments below? I've never seen a statue of a dog with wings. I have not ever seen that before. Coco! Look at that. Hope we can squeeze down this aisle. Let me see if we can. No, we can fit in. This is my designer dupe that I have a video on from Amazon. It looks just like the real Birkin bag. I added the Rodale bag charm and scarf. You can see one of my other videos against that. This is a nice little desk lamp to put on your desk, tabletop. Looks real. Wake up, Coco. Oops. Let's squeeze in here. Okay, we got these little pieces. Nice for the dining room table. That's cute. Real cute. It's also on Restoration Hardware Dukes. The guy just put them down here. Look at this. This is, oh, this whole piece goes together? Oh, it's one piece. I think that will fit on my deck. Maybe you put this in the middle. It's all one piece. How much is it? This is nice. This will fit on my deck. Small deck. What's the price? $4.99. Okay. $4.99. Comes with a table. Ottoman. So here's another little. And this is on sale for $2.99. Maybe they're missing one of the chairs, but nice little patio table too. Quartz countertop. That looks nice. No, I saw something else I was looking at. Flowers. Coco! Wake up! There you go. Wake up. Stretch. Stretch. Wake up. Shake. This is a pretty topiary shake. $29. Okay. This is a nice texture Restoration Hardware dupe that pot size right there.
Manager to the front, please. Manager to the front.
And I think I saw a pretty, looking out the light right in here. Beautiful. Look at these floral arrangements. Wow. That's pretty. I think I like this one the best though. So pretty. And it's cute. Is it I guess like a dollhouse. It's not a birdhouse. Cafe de Villa. It doesn't open up. Oh, it's a birdhouse. How can a bird fit in there and get out? I guess it is a birdhouse. That's a better opening. That's cute. Uh-oh. You're stretching? You got your little dress on. I want to dress you up today. You got your little... I call it a birthday dress. I always wear it for special occasions, but trying to make her feel better. She's sleeping too much. Trying to, wake her up and see the world. What in the world is that? Y'all know this popcorn is always good from here. I mean, I don't want to get it because I may be starting 10-day cleanse, so this popcorn is good though. When you think about it. Salted caramel popcorn. I'll put it in there. Put it in there just in case. They have a lot of flowers. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this tulip door wreath. Wow. That is so pretty. Look at these roses. They look so real. I think it's a rose. I don't know. It's a rose or a tulip. $29. It's pretty. This would be nice for a table. A small table, like a... That's little Coco. Trying to get her out and see the world. She's been sleeping a lot lately, so... She had some surgery about a month ago and with her stomach, so I'm just trying to, get the appetite up and everything.
Well, hopefully it's successful.
Yeah. Oh, look at this Coca-Cola stuff. People love Coco. He messed up your head, Coco. This is neat. You put your drinks in. It's like outside. This is cute. I guess you have it in your garage or in your movie room or something at home. Your home theater room. This is neat. It's big too. And it rolls. Oh my god, it's even better. Wow. This is cute. You can have like a movie room or party. You want to have it in your house. And you can put a lot of stuff in there. Not just cold drinks. You can put food, anything. That is so cute. I have a Tiffany blue one. I don't know what that is. Look at this. This thing is nice. Look at this Carrera marble. How much is this? $9.99. I don't need it, but I have one at home. But this is nice. Look at this. The one I have at home, is it just plain? Or is it Carrera marble? I need a towel holder upstairs in my room. Marble paper towel holder. Just make it come in here and start buying stuff you don't need. We'll keep moving. This is cute. It's a green one too. I guess it's some kind of drink container. We definitely need a cardboard. Don't let me forget. And all kind of spices. Reminds me, I made some avocado toast the other day. $5.99. That's nice. Looks like real Christmas. What's this? A plastic tape cover. Oh, look at this pot. Oh my God. Cover of marbles everywhere. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I don't need it. I have one already that I already used. If somebody's got Carrel marble, they just got a brand new kitchen with Carrel marble. This is a great gift. And it's on sale. $12. Wow. I don't need it. But it's nice. I need a none of these have leads. I need something with a lid. Marble effect. Frying pan. Oh, I need something with a lid, a small one. Oh, this is nice. This is high end. That, look at this. Ooh. This is nice. I just cook almonds in the morning. And that's stuff in the oven, but this is nice quality. $24. Okay. This is nice too. The wood handle. Are you awake, Coco? Wake up. Get up. That's a cute little table. That whole thing is $5.99. How many people in here? How many workers? I don't think they're not going to film. Okay, this is what we need. $7.99. I don't need one this big. That's what probably is now. I'm trying to wash the one I have now. I just think it's small. Cake pan. Food would not stick. Cancel free. Lifetime guarantee. Don't really need a baking pan. They're all the same. Look at this. We even put marble on the package. Wow. It's nice. Nice. Just need a pan to put some salmon in. I'm gonna get this cake pan. Need something small. I guess that'll work. We got too many people working here. Oh, that's a nice little casserole. Kitchen classics down there. Let's see. That's too big. What is that? We need a cutting board. Chop up all those vegetables. Oh my gosh. This is nice. $5.99, nothing, you know, just basic. But once you start cutting, you mess it up anyway. Let's see. I think this will work. Coco. Wake up. Come on. How you doing, Coco? Huh? Put your foot back in there. Sit up. Shake, shake. See the dress? Oh, that's cute. Of a mess.
I want to go look at bathroom stuff. So I don't look for
Okay, what is that? What is this? Put Coco over here. Get out of the way. This is cute. The dishes are looking at me dirty again. Dish rack. Sit on the side. Definitely need that. I'm gonna sit the dishes on the side. There's that one big sink.
Manager to Rob for potential markdown, please. Manager.
Without coffee, I can't even. I literally can't even. Ha! That's cute. That's cute. Okay, this is nice. The rolling. No, it's not rolling. Okay, but it's a pretty color. It looks expensive, but it's plastic. You can put all your different things in. If you got somebody in college or in a dorm or at home, you can put something else flat on top. This is nice. You have a lot of different things to try in the store. Okay. This is nice too. Little stands you put. Back up. Well, smash the like button if you're having fun and you watch this video. Home Goods always has so many exciting things to today's vibe is coffee, lots of it. So many exciting things to buy and look at. That's why we love coming here. It just makes people happy, you know. Plus they're dog friendly. Dog friendly. We can do it, yep. They got a lot of people working in here. Everywhere you turn the corner, I've never seen so many people before in my life. You could take something like this and you can put it in that the pull-out drawer that I just showed you. 2-piece jewelry set. Okay. Well, keep watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Shop with me at Home Goods. And we'll see you in the next video. Say bye, Coco.